So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your Hello World program using NetBeans. So to create a new project, click on this icon and make sure that NetBeans has already been installed on your system. Filter, come to Java with Marvel Java application. Give it a project name. Gonna give it Hello World. Also give it a demo, the package name Hello World. Click on finish. So once it's already been loaded, you can see here we have the Hello World. Under the source packages we have the Hello World. Under this package, Hello World, and under Hello World we have this class here, the main class. So by default, if you're using the latest version of NetBeans, it's gonna have the system out.println Hello World. So once you run it, you're gonna have the Hello World output here.